ASI, JJ, if you're watching this, I'm gonna be dead honest. I'm gonna be dead honest. I know you've released a couple of bangers, but to be 100% honest, if I don't like it, then I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna be honest. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Powerful Looking back with another video, and today we will be reacting to KSI's latest new music video. Now, guessing you up. I gotta be honest, okay? All right, let's get into it. Okay. Let's see. By the way, if you know, all right. Okay. Alright. Yo, this sounds. Yo, it's getting off to a good start. Okay. It's getting off to a good start. It has a good flow. The vocals are really good. All right. Now you're gonna go. Yo, he did the windmill. He did the windmill. Yo, literally, not even joking. In one of my fights, I actually did the windmill. but oh my god, that was good. That was perfect. That was perfect. You recreated your own actions. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Why are you teaching her how to jab? First of all, you can't even throw a jab. You demonstrated that yourself, but carry on. Oh yeah, by the way, Windows also isn't activated, so you're not alone. Yo, your part is really good. That was good. I can't lie. Hey, this is good. This is actually really good. I can't lie. Open it. My things fell out. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say. Oh, before I say, I'm surprised the song even dropped, since you were writing Really Love really hard. But hey, on it, if you want to put me on another Really Love remix, I'd be down for that. Just saying. Correct. I hit the mic. I probably rap about James Charles. Yo, this is good. What the frick? Okay. Oh, the transition is good in music. I can't lie. It's good. Nice footwork. Speaking of footwork, my footwork sucks. I'm gonna insert a clip of. Okay. That was great. I can't lie. That was actually really good. That was really good. On a scale of 1 to 10.
Wait, hold on guys, this is Editing Duck and I just want to say that the scale was 1 being bad and 10 being amazing, and that this was initial reaction, and if you want to see my updated review, go to this point in the video.
Have come to the consensus that this is better than Really Love. I'd actually put it right now, I'm be honest, originally I was thinking about giving it like an 8, but now I'd switch it to a solid 9. It's pretty good. The beat. Now that I think about it, the flow of the song is way better than the other song, except for Down Like That. Don't mess with Down Like That. And I love how you add a bit of comedy to your music videos. That's what makes it a little bit special and stands out. All in all, great video. You have improved a lot. I can't lie. Especially since last year, you've improved a lot. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and JJ for watching this. Can you give me a shout out and yo, put me on the next video? All right, peace.